She's a pixie wixie. She is a pixie little wixie. Pixie is a wixie wixie. Pixie. There's little mama. Mommy, hi Cece. There's little mama. Come here, Mommy. And there's Cha-Cha. Hi Cha-Cha. Hello Chachi. Rimsky, where are you? Rimsky. Cece. There's Mama. Where's Rimsky, Gina? Call Rimsky. Hi Rimsky.
Rimsky's tearing up his dinosaur ball.
Ready, Rimsky?
Because he wants to play more ball.
Is he the cutest one? Are you? Are you?
Are you Mommy's favorite? Ready, get it! Cece's favorite, huh? Is Rimsky your favorite? Is Rimsky your favorite?
No. He treats
Ready?
his
Go.
mama bad. He's always bossing her
Look
around.
at, she got it first.
Oh, I know she does.
Come here, Daddy.
She's really good at ball, you know.
Let's go play ball.
Okay.